is your Subha ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome all my lovely children, our respectful parents. So, my dear children, let's begin our summary of today's class. So, my dear children, today also I am continuing with the same topic, that is before. पहले क्या आता है? B E F O R E before. B E F O R E before. I want to make you pakka in this. Again, I am reminding you, always try to read the number from left. Okay. So, what number do you want today? Let's have the number 54, right? 54. Now, number will be provided and your dash or blank will be just before the number. This means we have to do before. पहले क्या आता है? Now, come on, answer me. What comes just before 54? Visualize all the numbers. And our answer is 53. Very good. Now, come on, let's move to next number. Next number. Shall we have another number, please? 62. Okay, let's have the number 62. 62. And now you can observe that I am slowly increasing the level. And 62, just answer me. What comes before 62? What comes before 62? And our answer is, let's visualize all the number. 61. So this is our what comes before. And today I love to give you heart balloon, a smiling balloon. This is your heart balloon. It's flying with the full-fledged smile. Say thank you to me. You're welcome. And now, my dear children, let's move to our exercise book. Okay. Today I went for 4 pages in your exercise book, and your pages are 46, 47, 48, 49. I am reminding you 46, 47, 48, 49, and these are going to your homework of the day. ये 4 pages आज के homework भी है. Again reminding you 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay. Now let's open the 46th page. Who is she? I want to make you meet Kyra. She is your Kyra. She's like you all, small babies. She wants to go to her school, but there is one problem with her. What is the problem? Let's help Kyra. हमें सबकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए ना, तो आज हम Kyra की हेल्प करेंगे. इसको स्कूल को देर हो रही है, इसको अपने बैग का पैक करना है ना, और जल्दी से. और उनके बैग को पैक करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? जितने भी बुक्स के ऊपर नंबर 21 से 30 तक है, द नंबर विच आर फ्रॉम 21 to 30 book, that those books we are going to keep in bag of Kyra, and we have to help Kyra. Ready? Let's play this game. I've already done 4. Now, first, what is the first book number? Orange book is 21, and it is between 21 to 30. So it is we are going to dump in the bag. Dushum. Now move to next. Book number 30. Magenta color book. So this is also between 21 to 30. Yes, we'll dump in the bag. Dushum. Now move to next. Green book. What is the number? 40. No, it's not between 21 to 30. So we are going to cross it. We have crossed it. Now go down. Book number 25, the dark blue book. So this is also between 21 to 30. So we are going to dump in the bag. Now come down. Book number 24, the cyan color. So this is also between 21 to 30. So we are going to dump in the bag. Now come down. What is the next book? The red color book, the 11 number book. So we are going to keep in the bag whether it is 21 to 30. No, we are going to cross it. We have crossed it. Now move to next with the pink color book, dark pink book. What is the number? 27. So 27 is also between 21 to 30, right? So we are going to keep this book also inside the bag. Done. Now the last book is blue book. It is 5 number. So 5 number is between 21 to 30. No. So we are going to cross it. So my dear children, we have helped Kara. Kara is telling thank you to everyone. Thank you. So what are the books which we kept in the bag? Book 21, book 30, book 25, book 24 and book 27. Here are 5 books we kept in Kara's bag. Thank you my dear children for helping me. And now let's move to our next exercise. Page number 47, 48, 49. Now again I am reminding you. Here all beautiful pictures of bunches of grapes are given. And each bunch carries 10 number of grapes. So 10, we can say 10 number of grape, 10 number of grape together, 20, 10 number of grapes, 30, 10, 20, 30, another one, 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And you are going to do this, you have to read and write. आपको पढ़ के लिखना है. And always read from the left. Let's read करके. ये 31 नहीं बोलेंगे. अब आप क्या बोलेंगे? 31, क्योंकि 3 is tens number. Each tens is having 10 number of digit. 10 number होता है उसके अंदर. तो 10, 3, 10, 30, 31. Now turn the page. Now we are moving to page number 48 and 49. Same here. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So now we have reached the 40 number. Now this page also when you will going to do, you have to read and write this exercise. And now the last page of today's homework. Now 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So this way we are going to reach till 45 today. And while doing this page also you have to read and write. So my dear children, for today only this much. I hope you enjoyed our class, right? And so my dear children, your homework is page number, come on, tell me what is the page number? Yes, 46, 47, 48, 49 in your exercise book. So for today only this much. Keep smiling, keep enjoying, keep loving and keep practicing. And always obey your elders, especially mommy, papa, teacher. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Do take care of yourself.